Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Always remember the brain is a muscle and you've got to exercise it for clarity and sharpness. This is step 7 of 7 for doing your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. 7 is the number of completion, and no wonder it takes 7 steps to complete a Rubik's solution. Now, what do you do? Where do you go from here? Now you've got to make sure you rotate these end pieces so that they eventually have the same color scheme, matching down and sideways and on the 3 dimensions. So this is how you do it. You keep one edge as your reference and then start the process. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-step process again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're done with the first iteration. So you continue to do it until this blue, orange, and black are oriented in exactly the way you want. Okay. So that is it. Those are 8 steps. So don't worry about how the other ones look like. They'll get aligned as you go down the solving the rest. So you've already solved that edge, so black. So you go to the next one. Don't move this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this 4th, those are first steps. You see now you have 2 more to solve. The rest still look properly placed. So let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one is done. Keep the same reference. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. And voila! Yeah, 3x3 Rubik's Cube is done. I hope you have learned something from this, and I hope it's going to be a great tool for you. Always remember the brain is a muscle and you've got to exercise it for clarity and sharpness. Please check out Ultimate Sudoku Brain Challenge series that is on YouTube under Greynack Brain Network. And check out the paperback for word search puzzles and Sudoku puzzles. Actually, the Sudoku solution, there are sample solutions to the Sudoku Brain Challenge that is a paperback on Amazon. So, hope to see you next time. Bye and God bless.